Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We're here another day for another, we could say, recipe, but it is fantastic. It's not a meal, it's more of a tea. We are kind of getting the flu symptoms and we're starting to feel that cough coming out and the tickly throat. So I'm going to show you the tea that we make to relieve those symptoms. So it will help to lessen the cough or make it go away. Obviously, I understand you're people with common sense, or so I would like to think. And that if you're really feeling sick and really having pain in your chest and you're kind of dying, you're not gonna rely on the tea, you're gonna go to the doctor, right? That's what we do. But this is when we're starting with the symptoms and then we relieve it and will make us feel better. Most likely it will not continue, it will stop. So I have a pot of water which I'm going to put on high heat. What I've done, I have grated ginger, skin and all, with the big grater side, not the little one or the other one, the big one, this one. So I grated it with that, skin and all, and that is going into the water. This is a remedy that my husband uses all the time, and it gets rid of his cough and all the stiffness in his chest, and it works for all of us. So we bring it to the boil, cover it a bit, don't let it overboil. So we let it boil and then we just leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. I don't know if I'm explaining myself properly. It's all this cold in my head. It's kind of driving me nuts. And here it is. It was, I brought it to the boil and then I let it simmer for a few minutes. You can tell the water is taking the color of the ginger. And I'm going to take it off the heat. And I'm going to strain it. Oh, gingery, nice. Ooh, too much, doesn't fit in the thing. So look at that, look at the color. Look at the color of that. That's pure goodness. So I'm gonna attempt to pour it on the cup without spilling it, which I have. That is powerful. Let me tell you, that is very powerful. We're gonna make it even better. We're gonna add fresh lemon juice to this. Maybe half a lemon juice or a few tablespoons. And then we'll add a bit of honey. And I have to say, this is store shop honey. Not the best. If you can get hold of proper honey that they're just taken out of the hives, it will be better. We add a little bit for soothing our throat. My dad used to have beehives, 5 or 6. It was just something that he did for fun. And the honey that we got from there has nothing to do with this that we buy in the shop. Nothing, absolutely nothing. So we mix it. This ginger tea, lemon and honey, and this is powerful. Only smelling it is already clearing my nose, and as you can hear, my nose is not all great, but let's have a taste. Wow, yes. It itches in my mouth and it itches in my throat, which is where it hurts right now, and it's really nice. It's got all fresh stuff. Nothing came out of a packet, well, apart from this. I cannot get any real beehives around here where I can buy the honey. It's all added sugar, but it's what we have, so that's what we use. So here you are, a remedy against those coughs and sore throats and chesty coughs and all these things. But as I said before, use your common sense. When this doesn't work, go to your doctor. Now, see you soon. Bye.